Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com, and this is Savory French toast with hot sauce hollandaise. One of my favorite traditions every Christmas is that we eat breakfast as a family. Now my kids always want cinnamon rolls, I usually want biscuits and gravy, but every year I try to come out with a new breakfast recipe for you guys so you can try something new, and this year it's Savory French toast. We're gonna start with bacon. And today we're cooking on the Fusion Griddle. Love these flat top style grills. Great way to get a sear. And it's not just great for like steaks and burgers, but also for breakfast. So right now this thing's over low heat because it cooks pretty dang hot. But it's just started warming up about 10 minutes ago, so I'm not gonna turn it up just yet. Now let's mix up our batter for the French toast. We got a couple of eggs here. We'll give them a quick whisk. And then we're gonna add in about a 1/3 cup of milk. And since we're going savory, dash of Worcestershire. So let's get this into a little wider container so that we can get each slice of bread in there. We're using a sourdough bread today. We're just gonna press that into the bread and then move it over to our sheet pan. Go ahead and throw down this toast. We're gonna toast that in some butter. So we'll also get this seasoned up. We're gonna use the Yoder AP rub today. Not a lot needed. Get a nice little toast on there. Bacon's looking good here. Let's take this off. We're gonna get it onto some paper towels so we can get that excess fat off of there. Now we've got all of this bacon fat hanging out here on the griddle, so let's just go ahead and cook our eggs right on top of that. Oh no! Heartbreaking when you break a yolk. We've got this at the point where the whites are set, but the yolk is still running. That's just how I like them. Toast is coming off now. We've got those eggs all snuggled up next to each other. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna throw, almost lost one. We're gonna throw some foil on top, close up this lid, and then just leave these on top to stay warm while we make our hollandaise. Now we're gonna make some super easy hollandaise. We'll start with 2 egg yolks. We're gonna add to that 2 tablespoons of our pit fire hot sauce. This stuff is vinegary. It's not super spicy, so you're not gonna burn anybody's taste buds out with this one. But we're gonna start with the immersion blender. This is like the really easy way to do this hollandaise. Kind of start to get that stuff blended up together, and then we're gonna add in our butter. Now our butter is melted, it's about 170 degrees, and we're gonna emulsify these things together now. The immersion blender makes super easy work of it. Trust me, I've done this by hand. It's not nearly as fun as this. All right, let's get this plated up. Of our eggs on top of there. Sweet yolk's already broke. I love that the yolk becomes a dressing in this recipe, just to coat the entire surface. A couple slices of bacon across the top, and we hit it with that hollandaise. Maybe just a little bit more hot sauce on the top, but that's just me. Pretty it up just a little bit with some micros on top. Get your greens in. For the taste. That's how I like my breakfast. Bacony, eggy goodness. I love me a runny yolk. And then the Hollandaise on top, super creamy. The toast itself, it's definitely not like your regular toast. It's like extra eggy, which of course is what French toast is. It like softens things up inside, but it's still got the crispy exterior. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out atbbq.com for all the products featured in today's video. If you enjoy the recipe, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments, or there's anything you'd like to see me cook, let me know in the comment section down below, and let's be good to one another. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to atbbq.com/thesauce. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.